To request for a storage cage, click on the button that reads Add New Request. Select the size range of the storage cage that you wish to rent by clicking on the bar and then click on the search button to view the available options in that size range selected. This list will show the storage cage numbers, location, dimensions and the area of the available options for you to choose from. Please note that the minimum lease period is 3 months and the maximum lease period is limited to the length of your tenancy contract if you are a tenant. In case you are a homeowner, the limit is 2 years. Select your preferred option and then click on the button next to proceed. You will be redirected to another page showing all details about the storage cage. Enter your desired duration and you will be able to view the total amount for that particular cage. Click here to view the terms and conditions about this request. Please read and be aware of the points mentioned, and if in agreement, please click on Agree and then click on the button next to proceed. You will then be redirected to an online document which is the contract for the storage cage license. On the top blue banner, please click on Electronic Record and Signature Disclosure and read through it. If in agreement, please click on the white box and then on the Continue button to be able to view the entire contract. Please note that the license shall be forbidden to store any dangerous, hazardous or illegal goods and materials of any nature whatsoever. No flammable or liquids or perishable goods, food, and materials can be stored in the storage cage. If you are in agreement, you will be required to upload your digital signature in the highlighted fields. Once done, please click on Finish. You will be redirected back to the page with your request details. Select your preferred banking partner and click on the button that says Proceed to Pay. A payment gateway page will appear for you to enter your card details and proceed with the payment. A page will pop up indicating your payment is successful. You will also receive an email mentioning details about the storage cage and key collection. The license fee can be paid in advance and it is non-refundable. You can now collect the key and you will have access to the storage cage.